So you're coming to Brazil soon and you're looking for a place that will not swallow your scholarship or your allowance. Well, this video got you covered. I will be introducing you formally to what is called Kitnet or kitchenette, the way we pronounce it in Portuguese. It's Brazil's tiny but mighty apartment that might just become your first home away from home. So if you're seeing this channel for the first time, it's an honor you click. Thank you so much. Could you just do me a favor of clicking that subscription button? And to my returning subscribers, you are all the best. Thank you so much. So what is Kitnet? In simple terms, a Kitnet is Brazil's version of a studio apartment, compact, affordable, and built for students or young professionals who need the basics, a space to sleep, cook, and maybe study. So in this video, I will be showing you one and how much it costs to rent it and the region it is located. The one I'm showing you today comes with just an electric stove. Simple but efficient. So come with me as I take you around. Alright guys, so this is just the entrance of the Kitnet. And like I mentioned earlier, Kitnet are actually very popular. The one I'm showing you right now comes with an electric stove, just like I mentioned earlier in my introduction. It is simple and it is efficient. This is just the basin, the place where you're going to be washing your plates, and over there is this place is where you can place your your washing machine over here, where you wash your clothes. Maybe you want to rinse something, you're going to be doing all of that in this section of the Kitnet. Okay, so it's actually like what you can refer to as two room and parlor, room and parlor, so to say. The first one we've seen is the first one that looks like the parlor, and this right here is the room. This is the entrance, and connected to the room is the baths. So over there is the bathroom, and the bathroom too is just very simple. It comes with this counter and a cabinet, and it also comes with electric water heater. This right here is water heater, and it's very cool there. So this is what Kitnet actually look like. The rent is 800 reais, and that already includes your water and light bills. No surprise charges at the end of the month, which makes budgeting much easier. For me, I think, especially if you are new to the country, you don't have to spend too much. There are other units. So Kitnet are actually very popular. Kitnet are popular for three main reasons, in my opinion. I think because they are affordable, and because of location, and because of their simplicity. They are often close to universities. They are easy to maintain. It won't take you too long because the rooms are not too big. Like 15 minutes you are done cleaning your room. And of course they give you independence without the high price tag. Plus, Brazilians are even known for being very neat. So, and this reflects in how most of the houses or apartments are maintained. Even though Kitnet are small, you will notice they are usually clean and well kept. So, but now let's keep it real. A Kitnet is small. Don't expect to host too much of people there. Don't expect to have a party there. It is usually one room or two rooms that doubles as your living bedroom and kitchen, just joined together. But for students who just need a place to rest, cook, and study, it works perfectly. When I got to Brazil too, I stayed in a Kitnet. So if you are considering renting one, here is my advice. Try signing a 6-month contract first. Why? Because sometimes what looks good at first may not actually feel right after living there for a while. So a shorter contract gives you flexibility, without being without being bogged with long-term contract. And also, if you haven't seen my earlier video where I explained different housing types in Brazil and how foreigners can deal with agents to avoid paying unnecessary fines, make sure to check that one out after this. It will save you some stress, I promise you. Now here's a big question. Would you take Kitnet like this, like 800 reais with bills included, or would you rather go for a bigger apartment, with furniture and more mobility, but at a much higher cost? This just really, for me, I think this just really depends on your budget, right, and your lifestyle. Now that you know what is a kitnet and you have seen a sample, here's the big question. Would you take a kitnet like this at just 800 reais with bills included, or would you rather go for a bigger apartment with furniture and some other mobility, but at a much higher cost? What do you think? Would you prefer paying extra for a bigger place? I want you to drop your answer in the comment section. I'd love to hear your take. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out from more real life student tips on living in Brazil. Até mais. Ciao, ciao.